Hey everyone, welcome to Cuckoo's YouTube channel. Here you'll get a glimpse into Cuckoo's daily life through fun and wholesome vlogs. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I got Cuckoo. I brought Cuckoo from a pet shop near the Kormangla passport office called Shabari Aquariums. This store has a wide range of pets, including Persian cats, rabbits, cocktails, budgies, lovebirds, and many more. There were so many adorable cocktails to choose from. All of them were hand tamed and friendly. A single cockatiel costs around 4000 rupees, while the white cocktail is priced at 6000. They also had a beautiful lorikeet that costs around 60,000. I even saw a talking cockatiel, which was really cool. And this right here is Cuckoo, the one I choose to bring home. They also have a variety of fish, including betta fish and a great selection of pet supplies. I picked up sunflower seeds for Cuckoo based on the shopkeeper's recommendation. He mentioned that birds enjoy eating sunflower seeds, millets, fruits, vegetables, and sweet corn. Since Cuckoo is a tamed bird, it is important to hand feed her and give her plenty of attention. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.